Hi, third grade. We are here with a new spelling and phonics lesson. This week, we are going to learn about prefixes. Prefixes are a group of letters at the beginning of a word that changes the word's meaning. There are many prefixes, but today we're going to focus on 3 of them. And the 3 prefixes that we will be learning about are pre, P-R-E, dis, D-I-S, and miss, M-I-S. As you can see, each prefix has its own meaning. The first prefix we're going to look at is pre. P-R-E. The prefix pre means before. Let's look at this example word. We have the prefix pre, and then we have the word paid. The word paid can stand on its own. When a word can stand on its own when separated, it is called a base word. So we have the prefix pre and the base word paid. When these 2 word parts are put together, we get the word prepaid. Now, if the prefix pre means before, this word must mean to pay before. I have an example of a prepaid gift card here. Sometimes people will buy a gift card. They'll pay the business before they get anything. Another example is this word preheat. We have the prefix pre, which means before, and we have the base word heat. So this word must mean to heat before. And that's what you do with an oven before you put the food in to cook. You preheat the oven so that it is hot enough to cook the food once you put it in. Our next prefix is the prefix dis, D-I-S. The prefix dis means not. Let's take a look at this example. We have the word dishonest. If the prefix dis means not, and we have the word honest, which means to be truthful, to tell the truth, this word must mean not honest. Just like our example picture. Whenever Pinocchio lied, his nose grew. When a person lies, they're being dishonest. So whenever Pinocchio was dishonest, his nose would grow. Another example is the word discount. We have the prefix dis and the base word count. Together, the word is discount. So this word must be to not count. For example, if something is 50% off, you do not count 50% of the cost. Let's think of a scenario. Let's say you go to the corner store to buy an ice cream cone, and the ice cream cone is $2. If they tell you that the ice cream cone is 50% off, you're not going to count the full price. You only pay $1 because it's a 50% discount on the ice cream cone. Our third prefix is miss. Miss means wrong. Let's take a look at this example. We have the word misspell. We have the prefix miss and the base word spell. So if the prefix miss means wrong, then this means to spell wrong. You can see in our example, this is correct, 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 and then they misspelled a word and got it wrong. Here's another example. We have the word mistreat. We have the prefix mis and the base word treat. So this word means to treat wrongly. In our picture example, you can see that this boy is mistreating the other boy. He is being treated wrongly. Let's hop on over to our spelling word list and check out the other words that we have this week using these prefixes. As I read each of our spelling words, I will highlight the prefix. Repeat each word after me. Misprint, misread, mistrust, misspell, mistreat, pre-cut, preview, prepaid, pre-plan, preheat, distrust, discount, dishonest, discover, disable. And now for our two challenge words. Prejudge, disconnect. Now let's hop on over to Wonders to check out one of the games that we have this week. For this game, you have to sort the spelling words into the columns using the keywords or word parts. For the first column, we have the word misprint. So any word with the prefix mis will go into this group. The second column has the word preview. So any word with the prefix pre will go into this group. And the third column has the word disable. So any word with the prefix dis will go into this group. Let's start sorting. Distrust, dismount, mislead, mistreat, misread, prepay, mistake, discover, pre-plan, preheat, mistrust, disagree, discount, misuse, pre-cut. Now that we are finished sorting, let's check our answers.
Fantastic!
Thanks for learning about prefixes with me today. Remember, a prefix is a group of letters at the beginning of a word that changes the word's meaning. Today, we learned 3 prefixes. We learned the prefix pre, which means before, dis, which means not, and miss, which means wrong. All right, boys and girls, bye for now.